Good morning, Memuna. Hey there. So, you're looking for a way to try Smartproxy for free? Well, good news, you actually can. And no, you don't have to sell your soul, complete a 500-question survey, or promise your firstborn. Just follow these simple steps. First, head over to Smartproxy's website. You know, the place where all the proxy magic happens. Just type Smartproxy.com in your browser. If you type Smartpony by mistake, well, you might end up in a very different place. Horse next, sign up for an account. This part is easy, just enter your email, create a password, and you're in. No weird security questions like, what was the name of your imaginary friend from 3rd grade? Just the basics. Now, getting that free trial. Smartproxy doesn't always have a giant neon free trial button, but don't panic. Just check their trial section or, better yet, reach out to their support team. And trust me, their support is actually super nice. Unlike that one customer service rep who put you on hold for 45 minutes just to say, have you tried turning it off and on again? Once your trial is activated, you'll get access to a limited number of proxies to test the service.